How to share screen with audio on Facebook Messenger. So first step is to open your Messenger application, choose a person to chat with, and once you're in the conversation, you have to make a video call. So tap on the video call icon beside the phone icon. It will ask you for permissions. Give permission so that you can share photos, videos, and audio. Once you're in a call, tap on these three dots on the top, click on call settings, and here, tap on audio output. Select what system audio you want to share. After this, tap on the icon in the middle, and you will see watch options, share option, and play option. Tap on share, click on start sharing, start now, and this is how you share screen with audio on Facebook Messenger. Do let us know if this video helped you out, and if you have any questions, feel free to drop them down below. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.